When camper trucks go massive, so do their prices. And trust me, these aren't just big, they're sell your kidney big. Today, we're diving into 5 ridiculously expensive off-road campers that'll make you question why you even clicked on this video. I, for one, certainly can't afford them, but hey, dreaming is free. So let's dream big. Meet the Rossmonster BAJA Plus, the Swiss Army knife of campers. Except it's the size of a small house and costs as much as one too. This beast is like if a tank and a luxury condo had a baby, complete with 42-inch tires, a wet bath, and a dinette that doubles as a bed for when your in-laws inevitably invite themselves along. It's got more gadgets than a Bond car, including a liquid spring suspension that levels itself like it's compensating for something, and a ladder to the cab overbed that's basically a stairway to camping heaven. But let's be real, the real flex here is the electric keypad entry, because fumbling with keys is so 2010. Just don't forget the price tag. $444,000, or as I like to call it, selling your soul for s'mores. Now onto some of its pros. We have off-road capability with 42-inch tires and liquid spring suspension, luxurious interior with a full wet bath, induction cooktop, and hydronic heating, tons of storage and sleeping space for 4 people. High-tech features like electric steps, keypad entry, and 12-volt air conditioning. And it's perfect for overlanding with its rugged design and off-grid amenities. As for some cons, the price, $444,611, is steep even for a rolling mansion. Size might make it tricky to navigate tight trails or city streets. The super single conversion might not appeal to traditionalists. And it is heavy on features, which could mean more things to maintain or break. We give it a solid 8 out of 10 on the WOW meter. It loses 2 points for being wallet-meltingly expensive, but if you've got the cash, this camper is basically the MVP of overlanding. Until then, just keep dreaming. The EarthRoamer SX is like a luxury condo that decided to grow legs, slap on 43-inch tires, and go off-grid. Starting at an eye-watering $1 million, this rolling mansion comes with everything you need to survive the apocalypse in style. A California king bed, a rainfall shower, a wine fridge, cause, you know, hydration is key, and even a washer-dryer combo, because laundry day doesn't stop for the end of the world. It's got 18,000 watt-hours of lithium-ion batteries, 1,600 watts of solar power, and a cassette toilet system that lets you wheel your business to a hole in the ground like a true adventurer. Oh, and it has Starlink internet, because even in the middle of nowhere, you need to binge Netflix. The only thing more impressive than its features is the fact that it can still get 9 to 12 miles per gallon. Take that, Prius. Some of its pros include unmatched luxury with a dry bath, washer dryer, and wine fridge. Off-road beast with 43-inch tires, air suspension, and a 16,500-pound winch. Self-sufficient with 18,000-watt battery, solar panels, and hydronic heating. Spacious interior with a California king bed and dinette conversion. High-tech features like Starlink, ghost security cameras, and touchscreen controls. As for its cons, the price, $1 million, is definitely ouch territory. Size might make it tricky for tight trails or urban areas. Cassette toilet system might not be everyone's cup of tea. Fuel efficiency is decent for its size, but still not great for long hauls. It gets a solid 8.5 out of 10 on the WOW meter. It's nearly perfect, but the price tag and size might make it a stretch for some. If you've got the cash though, this is the Rolls-Royce of campers. Just don't forget to invite me on your first trip. I'll bring the wine and a map to the nearest gold mine to help pay for this beast. The Krug Expedition. Bedrock XT2 is the overlanding equivalent of a luxury penthouse, except this one can climb mountains and ford rivers. Starting at a cool $690,000, this beast is built on a Ford F550 chassis with a third axle conversion, because 2 axles are for amateurs. It's got a king-size bed, a full-size bathroom with a 360-degree drain, and a kitchen that would make Gordon Ramsay jealous. Well, that might be an exaggeration, but the point is, it's pretty neat. The pop-up TV is also a nice touch for when you want to binge Netflix in the middle of nowhere. And let's not forget the garage that's deeper than your ex's emotional baggage. The only downside? You'll need to sell your house to afford it. But hey, who needs a house when you've got a mobile mansion that can go anywhere? Pros: spacious living module with a king-size bed and full-size bathroom. Third axle conversion for added stability and extended living space. High-quality build with modern, customizable finishes. Global power compatibility. 120 volts and 230 volts for charging anywhere. Pop-up TV, induction cooktop, and integrated fridge-freezer for luxury on the go. Cons: the price, $690,000, is ouch territory. Size might make it tricky for tight trails or urban areas. Heavyweight build could limit off-road agility. Customization options might add to the already steep price. Overall, it gets an 8.3 out of 10 on the wow meter. Just be prepared to sell a kidney or two to afford it. The Ram 5500 Expedition truck by Adrenalin Industries is like if a luxury apartment and a tank had a baby, and that baby decided to go off-grid. Starting with a Ram 5500 chassis, this beast is packed with enough features to make Bear Grylls jealous. It's got 41-inch Goodyear tires, a hydraulic spare tire lift, and a smart suspension system that levels itself at camp like it's showing off. Inside, you'll find a king-sized bed, a full kitchen with an induction stove, no propane here folks, and a bathroom with an on-demand hot water system that lets you shower for hours, assuming you don't run out of water first. Oh, and it's got a cassette toilet, because nothing says adventure like wheeling your business to a hole in the ground. The only thing missing is a butler. Pros: off-road capability with 41-inch tires and smart liquid spring suspension, spacious interior with a king-sized bed, dinette, and full kitchen, on-demand hot water and diesel heating for all-season comfort, lightweight aluminum construction for better performance, hydraulic spare tire lift and dual winches. Cons: the cassette toilet system might not be everyone's favorite feature. At 18,000 pounds, it's still a heavy beast, even with lightweight materials. The price tag is likely steep, though I was unable to find it anywhere online. Size is of course going to make it tricky for tight trails or urban areas. Induction cooktop requires specific cookware, which can be a hassle. With a solid 8.7 out of 10 on the wow meter, this rig is ready to take you anywhere. Just don't forget to pack your sense of adventure and maybe a financial advisor. The GXV HILT is what happens when a 5-star hotel and a monster truck team up for an off-road adventure. Priced at $400,000+, this 28-foot rolling fortress is also built on a Ram 5500 chassis and is ready to tackle anything from rugged trails to luxury RV parks. It boasts liquid spring suspension, 41-inch all-terrain tires, and enough storage to pack for an apocalypse. Inside, you'll find a queen-sized bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and a climate system smart enough to keep you comfortable, whether you're in the desert or the Arctic. The mission control panel lets you manage lighting, power, and climate with the push of a button. The only real downside? Apart from the price, of course, you still gotta dump your own cassette toilet, because even luxury can't escape reality. Pros: off-road capability with 41-inch tires and liquid spring suspension. On-demand hot water and diesel heating for all-season comfort. Solar panels, 30-amp shore power, and an auxiliary alternator for off-grid power. Customizable lighting and climate control for ultimate comfort. Cons: the cassette toilet system might not be everyone's cup of tea. At 19,500 pounds, it's still a big boy, even with all its features. The price tag, $400,000, is again ouch territory. We give it 9 out of 10 on the wow meter. It loses a point for the cassette toilet and the eye-watering price tag, but if you've got the cash and the courage, this rig is ready to take you anywhere. Just remember, with great luxury comes great financial responsibility and maybe a second mortgage.
And hey, if you're craving more camping inspiration, check out our next video on slide-out campers. Trust me, your next adventure is just getting started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next.